Hello friends, myself Ravi Nania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is exception handling in Java. So today's date 19th September 2022. So we will start. So what is exception? So exception, it is an unwanted or undefined program or condition in which our program is terminated abnormally. So what is abnormally? Means suppose our flow of program, our execution of program is starting from main and it will end at the closing of the main. So in between it's, if there is an exception occur and because of that exception, our main terminated at that point. So our flow of program is terminated as well as our program ends at that, and it will throw an exception, that is a particular exception to that point. So what is exception handling? Exception handling, it is a process in which we write some code to handle that particular exception. So basically exception handling consists of three main parts, that is try, catch and final. So first there is a try block. So what the try block works and why we need try block. So suppose if we are writing some code in our main method or any method, and we get to know that our code may throw an exception, there is a chance of throwing an exception. So that particular code will be written in that try block. If there is an exception, then it will go to catch block. So in catch block we will first write the exception and we create object of that exception, and if that exception matches to the exception thrown by the try block, then the code written in the catch block will be executed. If that catch block code if that code may there is chance of code written in catch block may throw an exception, so the code inside a catch block will be written inside another try block. So and that try block will consist another catch block. So we can't write a single try block or single catch block. So we have to write try with catch, or we can't write catch without try. So we can write try with final also. So what finally also. So what we will finally do? Finally, it is a block which will be definitely executed. Either our try block or execute or catch block execute. If there is an exception, then definitely catch block will execute. So after that catch exception, then the try block will be executed. So after that try block, the final block will be finally block will be executed. So what type of exception our code may throw? So basically, suppose we perform an arithmetic operation in which we divide any number by 0. So it is not possible to print an output, so that the output may be undefined or infinite. So at that point, logic, we can say writing code that if number divided by 0 is, we can say compile okay, and it will be run okay. But and while executing that line, that code will be not executed, because we know that 0 can't divide any number, or any number if number is divided by 0, we can't determine its output. So at that point, our exception class will throw an exception, that is arithmetic exception. So to handle that arithmetic exception, we will write that code into try block, and after that try block we will write a catch block in which we create arithmetic exceptions object, and in that try block we will write the code or any message that we have to show the user, or if or anything else we have to show to the console. So after that we can write final also or not also. Finally, it is not necessary to write finally at every after every catch. So there can be multiple catches for one try block, and we can write multiple try catch block in our methods or in our class. So with this I like to stop here. Thank you.